So yesterday we have launched one campaign, right? Yeah. So at this stage, we left it at this stage, correct? So we understood about picking the audiences by their education, by their job titles, by their skill sets, by the groups that they are part of, by the company that they are associated with, by the industries that they are interested in, right? And based on the company's revenue as well, right? So these are all, even if they are matching, see, observe carefully, it's not and it's or. So even if your audience match by any of these things, the ads will get served to them, right? So I'll not make it so complex. I'll just go with some criteria. Okay, so for your understanding, I had used all of them. Anyway, since this is not the actual account, I'll not really be concerned about which audience I have picked, right? So if you're launching the actual functional, the real campaigns, you should be concerned about to whom you are targeting. Okay, right? So now the ad formats. So ad format, single image, carousel image, all of you know, multiple images, a video, and it could be simple text also. Drive new customers to your business on a budget that works for you. Spotlight, showcase your product to increase traffic to your landing page. Spotlight, basically we will be showing a product. We will explore it. Message, deliver ads to your target audience inbox. So most of you must be received. I don't know if you have received it or not. So Sabha knows very well, I guess, right? You have worked on all of this, right, Sabha? No.
Yes, yes.
So directly on the LinkedIn, maybe I'll come here and show it to you. So messaging. Yeah, see, this is sponsored. Do you all see that? Devyani Sarkar has sent a message. Upskill with a triple accredited. I don't know what she has sent. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, marketing. Okay, so this is a promotional message. So now this message cannot be sent to people who are not in your contacts, right? And if you still want to send it to people though they are not in your contacts, you can do it by paying to the platform. So that is what is message. Okay, so it's not going to display your ad anywhere, it straight away pushes it to the audiences you are targeting. Okay. Start quality conversation by displaying ads in your buyer's LinkedIn messaging inbox. So now this is not a message, but this will be a communication that will be displayed. It is not sending a message one time, but this could just display to people as many times as you prefer in their inbox, a display ad. Okay. And people can start chatting over there. Events, amplify your LinkedIn event to maximize audience, maximize attendance. Document, use a document, slide or guide in your ads. Okay, so it's very important to explore some of this and understand how they all work. Maybe we'll start with a single image. Campaign tracking parameters, let this be by default. Yeah, what's the screen is stuck? Sabha Karim, for you also the screen is stuck.
No, it's working here.
So now on which screen am I now?
Infinite loop. Infinite loop.
Oh, great, it's working for you. It's problem with your mission. You just rejoin again. So URL tracking parameters by default. See, URL tracking parameters are the parameters that you send to that you attach to your URL. So if they are visiting that URL, automatically these parameters, account ID, your account, UTM source, LinkedIn, this will be by default attached to the URL, and that way Google Analytics will be able to understand the traffic is coming from Google. The traffic is coming from LinkedIn. So if you want it to be slightly different, maybe you can learn the account level parameters. Instead of account ID, you can put it as campaign ID. Automatically it gives the campaign names. We'll look into them later. Okay. So for now this is optional. You can ignore too. So placements. Show your ads to the right people in the right places. We will optimize delivery of your ads across all available placements based on where we estimate you will get the most clicks. Select placements. LinkedIn and LinkedIn Audience Network place ads on LinkedIn properties like the website or mobile app. LinkedIn Audience Network place ads on trusted third party publishers where LinkedIn audiences engage. Place ads on trusted third party publishers. So LinkedIn has its network of websites, right? So Microsoft example. Microsoft bought LinkedIn, right? Do you all know that? Aware of it? So now Microsoft websites, or maybe it could be any other website, whichever part the ads can be displayed over there as well. Okay. So budget. Oh my God, daily budget is 10,000. 1,000 daily budget. I'll say 100. It says no. Daily budget needs to be at. No. Daily budget is 500. Not this is daily budget, not 30 days. Daily budget has to be minimum of 500 rupees. Where inside instance? I did not get your question. Forecasted results, yeah. So estimate. So if you continue to spend it for 30 days, see you will enable the campaign now. After 3 days, you will pause it. Will you get it? But here for 30 days, what will you see? If they predict results, if they give estimates for only 1 day, that's not interesting. Correct? If a company says, employer says your CTC for a day is 1,000 rupees, does that look interesting for you? They have to tell per month you get 30,000 rupees, or per year you get 3.6 lakhs, correct? That's when it looks interesting for you, right? Will you be staying in 1 year in an organization? Okay, so maybe you might stay there for a longer time also, or may quit during the probation period also. Okay, that's a different thing. So same way here, they are showing estimate for 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, which you can switch between and understand. Okay, 1 day estimate, 7 day estimate, and 30 day estimate, right? So run campaigns continuously. I'll just select this for now. Bidding maximum delivery. Get the most results possible with your full budget, or cost cap. Maximum delivery is your click. The algorithm takes the freedom or liberty to get you clicks at the choice, at its choice, or the price whatsoever it is based on the auction. So if you are targeting high designation people, and if everybody wants to show ads to the same people, now there will be an auction. Whomsoever are paying high, so the algorithm shows ads pertaining to that business, right? So now that happens automatically. You are not taking in control of everything, and everything will be decided by algorithm. Moreover, and if you don't want that to be happening, you can set a cost cap. Get as many results as possible while staying under your desired maximum cost per result. Cost cap per landing page click. My God, 214. We recommend a cost cap of at least 214. Similar advertisers are spending between 145 to, I'll put only 24. What is this 214? Ads won't be served at the CPC. So LinkedIn is basically, see, look at this. It's not even push marketing campaign. So you are shooting in the dark, and even to shoot in the dark, you are spending 60 rupees per click. That's quite expensive. Browse existing content or create new ad. Browse existing content is if you had already posted any images here, you can pick one of them, images or videos, and you can use them as the ads, right? Okay, so promoted, this is how your ad looks like now. Okay, do you all see how your ad looks like now? So you can pick any other post that you have done previously, or you can create a new content. Let's take a look at how do we create a new content. Create new ad. So just the input fields, the description. See, name this ad optional. You can name this ad. So I'll probably call this as test ad destination URL https://learnandthrive.com. Introductory text draft with AI. So you can write up to 600 characters. Okay. Add images, upload or select. So you can add up to 5 images. Okay. So this is how your ad looks like. Okay. So still you have to write an headline. This is the headline to be displayed on the ad up to 200 characters. Okay, so description, this comes below this headline. So this is the description that comes right below the heading on your ad, and you can add up to 300 characters lengthy description. Okay, call to action, I'll select any call to action of my choice, right? Okay, save ad. So there is an issue with your ad, still it's suggesting create 5 ads to improve performance. Let's see if I will be able to save and exit, that's all. So that's all, your campaign is active. It's I mean like it's still not active, it has to be previewed, so you have an option on off. Okay, so this is by default off because you don't have the payment method, right? You don't have to expect a number of ads also. Okay. So this is not at published. It's published, but it's not active because you still have some issues. So budget and scheduling. Okay. So start date. What's the issue here? Okay. So the issue is we have set it as 13 because yesterday we launched it, right? We left it there. Your business information. So you have to enter all the details pertaining to your business, payment method, and your campaign will be launched. Okay, got it? So at this moment, I'm not going to add any of these details. Any questions, guys? It's very simple, right? No? So, anybody launched a campaign previously, paid LinkedIn campaign? You are using it a lot, right? Sabha, have you used the LinkedIn campaigns, paid campaigns? Sabha, are you there?
Yes, yes. Your voice is not coming clearly.
Oh, my voice was not coming clearly. How did you listen till now? Okay. So, I was asking, have you ever launched any kind of campaigns earlier, paid campaigns?
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
I'm audible. The voice is delivering very late.
Oh, okay, okay. There is a lag. Internet slow, I guess, for you. For you or
I
for
think
me.
yes.
Okay. So, what I'm asking is, Sabha, have you ever ran any kind of paid LinkedIn campaigns?
Yes, a year back I had run few campaigns and
Uh-huh.
boosted few posts also.
Okay. What kind of campaigns were there? What was the goal?
It was like we were inviting the investors to connect over a call, which is a demo session, the pitch session I told you about before now.
Correct, correct.
We invite investors for the connection on a pitch call.
Yeah,
So we used to do that for demo session.
correct.
But it is very costly.
Yeah, yeah, it's very expensive.
LinkedIn is also
That's
very
why mostly
also.
a lot of businesses don't use. Only the very massive big organizations don't mind spending,
Mm.
right? See, with their spend, uh, see, they prefer to spend if they are making, if they are selling a very high ticket price product. And definitely LinkedIn organic works very well, but LinkedIn paid doesn't really work that well.
Mm.
LinkedIn organic works very well. Even I get business from LinkedIn organically. I don't message to anybody, but if you all look at my LinkedIn profile, the kind of posts that I do, they attract people. So I get the
Exactly.
business. So even today I was posting some content. Okay.
We also need, we also used LinkedIn in a good way because
Yeah. Sorry, you said you also use LinkedIn? Oh, hold on. Got internet is coming. I'll just give some name to this objective. So yesterday we went with website, today we will go with lead generation. You all could see the screen, right? Why, sir?
Yes.
So audience attributes. So audience is directly already set audience. You will be able to pick audience attributes is based on designation or retargeting. We can pick so people whomsoever have visited our websites. Create website audiences. Name your audience. Website audiences. Past 90 days. Create insight tag. So we have to add this tag on our Google Tag Manager. It can take 48 hours for your audience to process and deliver. A campaign will start serving once the audience has processed. See, audience accumulation itself will take so much time. Okay, so you will not be able to see anything until then. Your ads also may not perform, not work, everything. Yeah. Website audiences is created. Enable audience expansion. So this is lead generation campaign. So you can show still single image or carousel or a video, whatever you want. But here you will be having a lead form. Okay. So I have picked a video, placements, LinkedIn, budget. Okay, let me keep it as 500. Just click on next. Browse existing content. So all these are videos. I can pick one of them. So here the additional thing is we'll have to add the lead form, lead capturing form. So, so create browse existing content still. Okay. So all of this needs attention. Why? Ads require missing fields. What is that missing? So headline is missing, destination URL is missing. So I'll write this is the headline of copy one. HTTPS colon slash slash learnandthrive.com. Right? I'll save this. Okay. So this all I will delete. Associate a lead form. Okay. So associate a lead form, form details, sign up, apply now, download now, get code. You can do anything you want. Search by name or choose from the list. We don't have any kind of forms. If we already had 10, 20 other forms created previously, we could have searched and seen all of them. Right? Since there's nothing, we'll have to create new form. I'll just leave it as it is, headline. Okay. We can add the image also for the form. This is the headline of the form. Provide more information about your product. So this is all about the product information that you can have in this section. You can add up to 160 characters content. So here you can have first name, last name, email address, the company name. You can eliminate whichever you don't want, just first name, email address, company name. Maybe if you want contact phone number, just phone number. Enough. This is the headline of the form. This is how it looks. Also to the customers. Yeah. So add custom questions. Question 1. So like a, what do you call it as, survey. You can how many kids do you have, right? So and how many cars do you have? So you can add any kind of question. So based on your domain or industry, you would like to collect certain kinds of details. Huh? Is it? How long it's been? It's hard to clean up my machine. There's so many videos. I'll share the screen once again. Okay. So here you can add question number 1 could be how many cars do you own? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can fill in and customer will accordingly check in. Okay. Clear, right? Up to here. So data privacy, you have to compulsorily add privacy policy of your website here, right? So otherwise your ad will not go live. Learn and thrive. Privacy policy will be there compulsorily. Sabha, it's stuck for you also. The screen is stuck for you also.
No, sir. It's on the learnthrive.com website.
Okay. Maybe I'll have to share the screen again.
I think her network is slow. It's not working
Yeah,
also.
my network, right?
No, your network is fine.
That doesn't connect 5G. You're on 2.5G, 2.5 gigahertz. I'm on the 5 gigahertz network. So I'll connect it here. Check, watch it on the screen. Okay. Okay. Do you see the screen now? Okay. So enter your
Now,
term. Yeah, you also see the right, Sabha. So enter your terms and conditions if there are any. Okay. So you can also put an attachment of your privacy policy here. Privacy policy URL is anyways mentioned. We'll see if that works fine. So message, you can write any custom message. Thanks for filling the form. Thanks. Thanks. If you're not filling, it will be a default text. Thanks for submitting your details. One of our representative will connect back soon. Something like this. Confirmation CTA, visit company website and you can give company website link again, or if not, call phone number, learn more down. Okay, Facebook gives you. So company website, this is CTA text, company website or learn more, or just the text control, that's all. It's going to be https:// your website. Okay. So here the preview information sent to learn and try to the customer. Okay. Confirmation, they're supposed to load this confirmation also. Thanks for submitting. Where is, yeah, it's here. Thanks for submitting your details. One of our representative will connect back soon. Yeah. Okay. Form details, it displays this way. It is not displaying in the preview now after we updated this. Okay. Agree and continue. There was an error saving your form. Please try again. Why there is an error saving the form? So maybe we'll have to add some of them. No, not needed actually. Nothing. I think all compulsory things we have added. Oh, internet is gone. Okay, so we are done with all the details. So you just have to click on agree and continue. Okay, and here you get to see the preview of your ad. You can see it here, the screen. Okay, save it. So in this stage, we are done with the ad copy and the linked form. Linked the form. We create form was not there, and hence we created the form with all the content that's needed, with all the details that we have to collect. Yes. So this is the final summary of your campaign. Okay, and see, it will not ask for all of these details. It will be only submit if business details were already entered, payment and business details. Since we have not entered for every campaign, it's showing. Otherwise, it's agree and launch campaign. Clear? Okay. So considering, okay, I think you all understood, right?
Yes.
So this is actually very simple. Maybe some of you have already worked on it. Okay. Fine, guys. So if there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today, and we can
Sure,
continue
sure.
tomorrow. There's some issues with the
Okay.
net as well. Yeah, yeah, Sabha, you have something to tell.